innovation for waste minimization.
Hi, I'm Angela with BECCA Inc. Thanks for your time. As you may have learned at FabTech, we have custom solutions that are designed to minimize your hazardous waste by up to 98%. Using a combination of proprietary systems, our solvent and waterborne spray gun cleaners and solvent recyclers have reduced the rising of costly hazardous waste for thousands of companies throughout the world, saving them money and prolonging the life and durability of their equipment. Today, operations like yours know the benefits that increased efficiency, reduced cycle time, and environmentally friendly processes have on your daily life. That's why we've proven time and time again that BECCA Inc. and the products we stand behind are the right choice for you and your operation. Please use the form below or email us at sales@beccainc.com or give us a call at 1-800-655-5649. We look forward to speaking with you regarding our products and how we can implement our proven solutions into your operations. I guarantee it'll be time well spent.